Hi everyone, welcome back to Homespot. Have you ever looked at your garden and felt it needed just a little extra magic? Today, we are exploring incredible homemade decor projects that will completely transform your outdoor space. From rustic charm to modern art, these ideas are simple, affordable, and guaranteed to spark your creativity. Let's get started. Nature already designed the perfect pattern, so this project simply borrows it. Leaf casting creates stepping stones or a shallow birdbath with veins and textures that look handcrafted and timeless. Each piece feels like a fossil from the garden itself, especially when placed among lush greenery. It is decorative, but also functional, guiding the eye through the space. The best part is no two casts ever match, so the path feels personal. A garden can sparkle without looking flashy, and glass art proves it. When sunlight hits colored glass wrapped in copper wire, the entire corner of the yard comes alive with tiny reflections. This decor is lightweight, inexpensive, and incredibly flexible. Hang pieces from branches, hooks, or pergolas. The result feels like a handmade chandelier for the outdoors. Even on cloudy days, the color still adds a soft, artistic glow. Sometimes the strongest garden decor is the quietest. A spiral made from smooth stones brings a sense of intention to an otherwise wild space. It invites people to pause, follow the curve with their eyes, and notice the textures of soil, moss, and leaf. This is outdoor art that costs almost nothing but looks thoughtful and meditative. In a busy yard, a simple spiral can become a calming signature. Metal trough planters create a bold shape that instantly reads as design. The raised height makes it easy to maintain, and the galvanized finish pairs beautifully with soft foliage. Fill it with succulents for a sculptural look, or with herbs for a functional display that still feels curated. The contrast between industrial metal and living greens looks modern while staying cozy. This piece becomes a strong anchor in the garden layout. A birdhouse does not have to hide in the background. Bright paint turns a simple wooden shape in a cheerful decor, even before any birds move in. A small cluster of birdhouses adds color at eye level and gives the garden a playful rhythm. It is also a project that welcomes creativity, patterns, stripes, or vintage style, distressing all work. The yard feels more welcoming when decor supports local wildlife and personal style. This project mixes modern structure with handmade texture. A wire cage filled with recycled glass becomes a shimmering column, and when water begins to bubble, the glass looks even brighter. It is the kind of feature people notice immediately, but it still blends with plants because the materials feel earthy and reused. The gentle sound of moving water adds life to the space. It is art, light, and atmosphere in one compact build. A mirror outdoors creates instant magic by bending space and light. When placed on a fence behind plants, it reflects blooms, sky, and movement, making the garden feel deeper than it really is. The effect can be subtle and elegant, especially with an aged frame and a bit of trailing greenery. It turns an ordinary corner into a secret scene. Used thoughtfully, a mirror becomes a visual trick that feels like discovering another garden beyond the first. A small area of sand or fine gravel can transform the mood of an entire garden. Raked patterns add order, texture, and calm, offering a peaceful contrast to busy foliage. The lines change whenever you want, so the decor is always renewable. Add a few stones and simple borders, and the space becomes a daily reset button. This project is not about plants alone, it is about atmosphere. Even a tiny Zen corner can feel like a retreat. Upcycling becomes unforgettable when it makes people smile. A pallet wall with rain boots used as planters looks quirky, colorful, and completely personal. It is perfect for small spaces because it adds vertical greenery without taking ground area. Flowers spill from the boots and create a playful cascade of color. The charm comes from contrast. Practical garden items become unexpected art. This is the kind of decor that turns a fence into a feature and makes the garden feel fun. A single sculpture can give a garden a personality, like a character placed among the plants. Metal herons, frogs, or abstract shapes add height and structure that holds its own against dense foliage. The piece can look elegant, humorous, or rustic depending on the finish, especially when it has a weathered patina. It is outdoor decor that lasts through seasons and storms. The best placements make it feel like the sculpture belongs there, as if it has always watched over the garden. Lighting is garden decor that works even when the sun goes down. A suspended ladder becomes a framework for hanging mason jars, string lights, or small lanterns, creating a warm canopy effect. The result feels like an outdoor room, perfect for dinner or quiet evenings. This project also adds height, which makes the garden feel more layered and intentional. When the lights turn on, the whole yard becomes softer and more inviting, like a private celebration space. A bird bath is classic garden decor because it is both functional and beautiful. When placed as a true centerpiece, it draws attention and creates movement as birds visit and water ripples. Surrounding it with bright flowers makes the feature feel framed, almost like a living picture. This kind of decor also encourages you to slow down and watch. A simple bird bath can make the garden feel like a habitat, not just a display, and that brings a deeper sense of life to the space. A living wreath is a striking way to bring garden texture onto a wall or gate. Succulents offer rich shapes and colors that read clearly from a distance, while still looking delicate up close. This decor feels unexpected because it is both plant and sculpture. As it grows, it changes, making it a display that evolves over time. Hung on a wooden gate or fence, it becomes a welcoming statement piece. It tells visitors immediately that this garden is creative and cared for. A garden path is a perfect place to hide artistry underfoot. Salvaged bricks laid in a pattern create a mosaic that feels aged, timeless, and full of character. Slight color variations and weathered edges make the surface look intentional, not messy. This decor also improves the garden experience by guiding where you walk and where you pause. When plants creep near the edges and moss fills small gaps, the path becomes even more beautiful. It is a durable project that adds structure and style. A gazing ball acts like a small mirror that captures the sky and doubles the beauty around it. Tucked among dark foliage, it creates a surprising highlight that draws the eye deeper into the bed. The reflective surface adds contrast and makes the garden feel more dynamic, especially when clouds move or leaves sway. This decor is simple to install but powerful in effect. It works best when it feels discovered, like a hidden gem placed carefully in the greenery. A leaning ladder turns vertical space into a charming plant gallery. Each rung becomes a shelf for small pots, letting you mix herbs, flowers, and trailing greens in a compact display. The ladder also adds a rustic line and height that breaks up flat fences and walls. This is decor that can change with seasons, since pots can be swapped anytime. In a cottage-style garden, it feels especially at home, creating a casual and collected look that still feels intentional. And there you have it, inspiring ways to add personality and charm to your garden with your own two hands. Whether you try the salvaged bathtub pond or the simple stone spiral, the most important thing is to have fun creating. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Homespot for more creative home and garden ideas. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.